You guys able to see right my screen? So now we save the results. So this file we saved, right? You can go to the desktop and we are given paste to where is that results? Yeah, the store. Yeah, baseline results. This is right. You can open this results and go to this. The HTML report will be there. You can open that report. So if you open this report and we'll get from the our results, we'll see the in HTML format. We can see the HTML format as same to the otherwise. We can do one more way also. You can click on reports and here report template. Okay, report template. And after that, click on generate report. So see now you can observe is the report is generated. You can observe. So this is the scenario type and what is the duration you are executed. And we can see the detailed report here. Business process, nothing but what are the scenarios you are executed, a script name, how many users from the each and every script, and how many total users and transaction per second, like per hour, how many transactions happening, and what is the start time and everything we can observe. And as to the workload character also we can observe. Total will be 30 users and total throughput, how many total passive transaction per second and total passive transaction per minute, total transactions of numbers like transactions nothing but launch login this all right that is calculated from the 16. So apart from this we can see the graphs running users and you can observe like fail also it will show here performance overview like transaction response time, total how many pass transaction happen, in that how many failed, what is the transaction rate, pass rate. You can observe 99.987. Total error per second, how many? 0.012. So means very minimal. Already I told it's more than 3%, your test will be invalid. But it's a 0.0012, right? So your test will be valid. And status summary, like which status code, how many transactions happen, and per second also we can calculate here. And you can observe here. Now, this is the important thing, transaction summary. So each and every transaction also we can observe how much response time happen. We can observe from the here average. You need to concentrate from the average. And sometimes 99% also they will ask. So 99% is nothing but 99% of the transactions are within the SLA. We are get the response time 2 seconds or not. It will be display the results. That is the 90%. And you can observe maybe you are find that one of the transaction happen from the average response time could be 3 or some more than our SLA. Then you can see the here worst URLs average response time, like which URL is taken from the high response time. We can observe from the URL based also, like this HTTPS, PESTOR, OCTPerf actions, catalog action. This URL is a taking like launch URL. It's taking from the a response time will be high. So means we need to give to the input to the development team. Okay, this time this is the transaction taking high response time. Because of this URL is taking high response time. Because of that, our transaction response time could be high. So could you please look on that code into the their side developer? We need to see the here. And apart from this, we can see the one more also, most resource consuming URL. Resource consuming nothing but CPU memory utilization. Which URL it is taking from the most CPU and memory utilization also we can observe here. So for this API is taking from the more. You can observe by seeing this also we can know that okay, this is the taking high. Means just dig point of view, we need to know this. And now largest URL, like which URL largest kilobytes it is occupying, you can observe. Like memory point of view, also we can know that this particular URL taking from the high kilobytes. How many bytes also you can observe here. Minimum, average, everything it is displayed. And largest URL, average kilobytes, that is also fine. And after that, you can see the graphs. Already we seen, right? Graphs also, running user graph. 8% graph and transaction per second graph and transaction summary graph. So everything is the results will be ready. These results you can share to the team. Like you can directly save as, so which format you want, like HTML file, or you want from the any text file, you want from the CSV file, you want from the like PDF. So which format you want, you can select that, you can click on save, then automatically it will save. For example, you want PDF file, you can click on this and click on OK and give from the name of this report. So we can take this name only. I will take rename it. We'll give from the same name means it is a duplicate and save this. So now results will be saved. Now we can open from the HTML also. You can see the desktop will be saved, right? Where it is saved, I'm searching. Yeah, this is only right. Restore baseline results, not one, right? We are given one, right? We are saved here only. Yeah, this one. Yeah, see, you can observe test or baseline results, test one. Now you can open this PDF file. So now you can observe all results will be, it is displayed. You can observe all results will be there. So you can send this report also to the concerned team or client you can send. So one thing is important. You send this report. So he don't know for the performance testing. He will able to understand. So we know for the perform testing, that is why we know from the each and every this all things we know from the graphs and everything we know. You can provide like this. he don't know perform testing, he will able to understand this? Yes or no? Hello, are you guys are there? Hello.
Hello.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Yes, sir.
So they will able to understand or not?
Yes.
So you don't know performance testing. You are sending this entire report. Okay.
Okay.
You are
Yes.
attached the mail or some, okay, where you are sent this report. This is the report. Please find the attachment. Then client will be don't know for the performance testing. He able to understand this all things. So who is the good knowledge perform testing? This report will be fine. But client will be don't want this all details. Why I don't want from the business process? Why I don't want from the more largest queries? Why worst URLs? What is that? You don't know. So that is why we need to prepare ourselves also. You need to open from the some Excel. Okay. So this is so we need to open from the any one of the sheet. So open from the new Excel sheet. And what we want required, we need to that only we can keep. Okay, now I will open new one. New sheet we want sheet nothing but this is the Excel one. So this is the fresh report. Now we need to go to the results. Here are we can go to the summary report also. Now main thing what we need important things means this stats will be important, like how many users you are executed, and this all details will be important. First thing, stats. So that is why you need to provide this. Okay. And so this will be so this report. And apart from this, you need to give from the test duration. This also important. Okay, like you are executed. Like already we copy paste right. Like test results paste to okay underscore baseline test results. Some release will be there, some 1.0 or something you can give from the like this. And after that, we need to provide from the test duration also important thing. Okay, you need to give from the so if we go to here and we need to go to the report, right? So these details also important. So what is the scenario name, what is the run name and run date and period, what date you are executed, and these details. Okay, and the main thing only no need from the all details. So what details you want, you can give. And this also important workload characteristics. Okay, that is only we are provided right there. Running users, total users, averages, we have provided everything there. Okay, and after that, no need from the remaining. Okay, what we want means just no need from this all things. Okay, we need to provide from the this transaction summary. So if you go here, you can go to the here transactions summary also important. So you can copy this everything. So you can copy this entire up to this and just Control C and go to the Excel sheet and you can control it. Okay. So after that, just so if you want format, we can change it. No worry. Okay. Which normal format means can click on format and select this. Okay. Apply from the all. Now we need to, this is the minimum, average, maximum, steady state. So steady state will be no need, you can remove this. Okay. And fail stop also no need, you can remove this. And you can add one column only you can add from the beside of this also you can add one. So just SLA, like we are meeting SLA or not, point of view we need from this. You can give from the 2 seconds from the every scripts. Okay. So you can do from the Excel. So how you will good from that, right? You can do from the your end. Okay. Just element that will be how we can good do that will be very good thing. Okay. So now see all transaction response time could be less than 2 seconds. Then you can give from the indicate the color. Client will be don't know from the really which transaction pass or fail also. You are unable to don't know. So you can give from the some green color. Otherwise, something this will be you observe that some three. Then you can indicate this will be red. You will understand that okay, this transaction will be taking high response time. Okay. After that, you can provide from the CP memory details and what things means you can update from the this graph, this one, throughput and transaction summary and average response time. All graphs you can share it. Okay, fine. So this graph you can take from the screenshot or whatever maybe is fine. Just you can like this also you can do. It means training user graph. So up to this you can take and you can paste from the here. Like this, you need to add from the all graphs also. Okay. So means no need to give from the all report. All report you can give, you will not understand. Actually, you want only for this only. This and how many users you are executed and how many transactions happen, how many it's happen, you want. What is the scenario is tested. So that is why we need to give from the beautifully this kind of thing. That's enough. So if you give from the this report, they will be confused. Like all details will be there in this report. Everything will be there. Only this it is help for us. Like most URLs, average response time, how much time taken. So we are digging point of view. It will be used. So you need to prepare from the report like this. It's clear, Kiran? Hello, Manish.
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. So
Yes.
we can prepare from the like this. So just client will be don't want from the all details. We want only for concentrate from the this is my SLA. As per SLA, we are got this or not. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. So as of now, we can stop here for today and we'll do the tomorrow class. We'll continue. Okay. Again, in controller, we have the we can discuss from the like each and every step also. Like if you go for the design, right? So for this, what is the schedule by scenario? What is the schedule by group? Real world scenario, basic state, and start users, initial users, and ramp up, ramp down duration, and what is these options and these options and each and every option. SLA, how to we can configure. And after that execution, what things we should monitor. Apart from this monitor, for example, you are executing 1 hour, you should monitor this. And apart from this, you should monitor from the CPU memory also, very important thing. So CPU memory is not sufficient also, you will get from the response time could be high. So that is why CPU memory also, how it will be there, like how much percentage. It is a more than 80%, means only 20% will be there, means your test will be not sufficient that CPU. Memory also same way. So this is also during the test. Okay, it is right now is showing from the 50%. When you are doing the test, right, some CPU utilization happen. So that is more than 70 or 80 it is happening or not, you can monitor also. So using further, we have monitoring tools also will be there. How this will be there? Same way we have the monitoring tools will be there. Performance, app dynamics, side scope, dynatrace. So we have different tools will be there. Okay, we can discuss these all things from the next class. Okay. So please
Okay,
go through that and I will ask for the interview questions. Okay.
Okay.
What is the controller? What is the schedule based scenario? What is the, so just go to the our material, just see the basic things. Okay. We'll see the detailedly this controller tomorrow. After this completed, we can go to the analyzer also, like how to we can analyze the results, how to we can what we can do, what are the steps we can do, each and every step also, which purpose we can use graphs and this granularity, something different things will be there. So each and every step also we can do, and how to, if it is a response time could be high, how to we can dig the issue, how to identify that issue, all things we can discuss. Okay. So only scripting only it will take time. This analysis, all things it is completed from the 2-3 days only. Almost we are covered from the controller analysis also. Like now you know the report preparation, right? Yes or no?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So now we need to know from the each and every steps also we know, means we can know from the everything. Okay, we'll discuss today. Okay, thank you for joining. Tomorrow we'll meet. Bye
Okay.
everyone.
Okay. Bye.
Yesterday videos I shared or not?